Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to lock Safari private tab on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down until you find the Apps option. Tap on Apps. In the Apps menu, scroll down and look for Safari. Tap on Safari to access its settings. Here, you'll see various Safari settings and options. Scroll down until you find the Require Face ID to unlock private browsing option. Tap on the toggle switch next to Require Face ID to unlock private browsing to turn it on. The switch will turn green, indicating that Face ID protection is now enabled. Once enabled, your private browsing tabs will be locked and require Face ID authentication to access them. Now let me show you how this works in the Safari app. Exit Settings and open the Safari app on your iPhone. Look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the three dots. From the menu, tap on New Private Tab to open a private browsing tab. Now, search for anything you want. I'll search for YouTube as an example. Once the page loads, close the Safari app completely. Now, reopen Safari again. As you can see, Safari now requires Face ID to open the private tab. This ensures your private browsing remains secure. And that's it. You've successfully locked your Safari private tabs with Face ID protection. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.